Greetings, fellow chemists of the future. Diana and Camilla here, ready to teach you guys about how Amedeo Avogadro contributed to the history of an atom. We are also here to teach you guys some interesting facts about Avogadro.
Avogadro lived from 1776 to 1856. He was born in Turin, a city in northwestern Italy. Avogadro lived in Turin all of his life. His most important research and achievements were between the years of 1806 and 1820.
Avogadro came up with the hypothesis: two hydrogen gases plus one oxygen gas makes two water molecules. What this hypothesis means is that gases that have equal volumes share the same temperature and pressure, and can contain an equal number of molecules. This hypothesis is now called Avogadro's law.
Avogadro was also the first scientist to grasp the concept that elements can be present in the shape of a molecule rather than as an individual atom, and contribute to the knowledge that gas molecules can divide during chemical reactions to the understanding of the atom.
He did not conduct many experiments. Instead, he made inferences and observations from the work of John Dalton and Joseph Gay-Lussac. He furthered the work they did and made his own conclusions on the atom based on their findings.
Avogadro came up with his hypothesis and conclusions about the atom based on Dalton's and Gay-Lussac's work. John Dalton published his atomic theory, proposing that all matter is made of atoms in 1808. John Dalton made many great discoveries, but he also made mistakes concerning the way elements combine to form compounds. As a result, Avogadro understood the concept that elements can be present in the shape of a molecule rather than as an individual atom. Then, in 1811, Avogadro proposed his molecular theory.
Avogadro was also connected to Joseph Gay-Lussac, who created the law of combining gas volumes. Avogadro hoped to explain his research, and that is how he came up with his hypothesis.
Now some fun facts about Amedeo Avogadro.
Amedeo Avogadro earned a doctorate of canon law in 1796 at the age of 20 and began practice as a lawyer. He then practiced law for the next 10 years, but he switched professions because he was more interested in science and mathematics.
In 1806, he became a secondary school science teacher. What a change in career!
In the year of 1820, Avogadro became a professor of mathematical physics at the University of Turin. He retired in the year of 1850.
Then in 1818, he married Felicita Mazet at the age of 42 and had 6 children. His family background was aristocratic, but he was a private man and for the most part religious.
Sadly, he died at the age of 79 on July 9th. Avogadro was buried in the cemetery of Quarangen.
Amedeo Avogadro was a very smart man. No wonder he came up with the Avogadro law and other contributions to the identity of an atom.
Farewell, chemists of the future. We shall meet again. And remember, Avogadro rhymes with avocado.